Welcome back to another episode of Damn It Bennett, I Wish I Knew That. Today we're talking about taking your content from one platform and dispersing it across the internet to a bunch of different ones. So if you're streaming on Twitch and you have some clips from your most recent stream, you may want to share those on TikTok or YouTube or Instagram or Facebook, wherever you're sharing your content. This is going to help grow your channel, help you get out to a new audience and show them what your streams are all about. So one platform to use that is called Streamladder.com. It's what I use all the time to easily convert my clips into content for other platforms. Now, obviously, if you're an affiliate or a partner, you do need to wait the 24 hours before posting them elsewhere, but this is something that can prepare you and get that ready so that they're ready to go out once it's done. So once you go over to Streamladder.com, you're gonna either log in with your Twitch or upload the clip if you've already downloaded it to your computer. Now, most of these platforms like Streamladder, they have subscription models that you can go to. Most of the free ones are pretty solid and straightforward. Some of them may have a watermark or a little thing at the ending. But once you've logged in, you can just actually see your clips from Twitch. You can click right on them, and then it's going to ask you to confirm is this the right clip that you want. Once you've done that, you get to choose the format that you want. The premium modes that have a little bit fancier, you can blur the background and put your camera above as well as the content. But you know, the free one is going to be just as good, so we'll use that today for the split format. Once you go there, it's going to ask you to find your face cam. Once you've found it, you can move it around. Once you found it, you're good. Hit accept. Then you're going to go and find the actual content. For me, I'm going to off center it a little bit just because my overlay does kind of creep into the center of the screen a little bit. Once you accept that, you're pretty much done. All you got to do is hit finish. It's going to render the clip, and then it's going to give you a really cool thing. It will have a QR code that you can scan on your phone. That way you can download it to your phone and upload to TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, wherever directly from your phone, or you can just download it to your computer and upload it to all of those platforms again. It's definitely worth the time because it doesn't take a whole lot, especially if you don't have a whole lot of editing skills or knowledge. This is a great way to share your content on other platforms, help you kind of disperse what your stream's about to a whole new audience. So definitely take the time to convert these clips, put them up on another platform. And I am DamnitBennett, and now you know that.